2, we're going to go ahead and add in our other spaceships that we want to use. Click and drag spaceship into our Unity scene and grab our move tool to move it over. If when you add your player in you do not see it, remember to come over to your sorting layers and to put it on the foreground. Once it's on the foreground, you're ready to continue. Once we have that in, we need to spin it 180 degrees. And the easiest way to do that is to come over to the Z and type in 180. Once we have that, you can see that our player has moved all the way around. We're going to start adding components. The first one we're going to add is going to be our Physics 2D Polygon Collider. You're going to clean that up to make it closer to the spaceship. Again, edit the collider right here, and then click and start moving each of these in. Once you have that completed, let's add our move. So add component, let's scroll down, go down to Playground, Movement, and we're going to add in Auto Move. Auto Move adds in our rigid body. As we've seen before, we're going to change our gravity scale to 0 to start with. Auto Move has us moving in this direction to the left, and we want to come in and make our X a 0. And we want to make our Y. We want to make our Y a -1. You want to make sure that it says relative to rotation. What happened here is we put in this -1, and we have relative to rotation going on. Because we spun it 180 degrees and we say relative to rotation, that -1 means it's going in the opposite direction. So in this case, leave that checked, and we're going to add 1 in, and you'll notice that the arrow points the other way. Clicking play, you're going to see that the character moves downward with our background. While we're here, we want to come up and tag this as our enemy, because we want the spaceship to kill our, or take a health away from our player. We want to add a component to the playship, another playground, attributes, and we want it to modify the health. So again, -1. Do we want it to destroy when activated? We are okay for right now. So once our spaceship is ready to go, we will not make a prefab yet of it because we want to create our bullet now.